The 1947 Rolls-Royce Phantom III Labourdette Vutotal Cabriolet is one of the most distinctive post-war rebodies ever produced on a Rolls-Royce chassis. Its story begins in 1938, when the Phantom III chassis, already regarded as one of the most advanced automotive platforms of its era, left the factory. The Phantom III was the first Rolls-Royce equipped with a 60-degree V12 engine, with a displacement of 7,338 cubic centimeters, an aluminum alloy block, and Rolls-Royce-designed carburetors. It produced about 120 horsepower and allowed most examples to reach nearly 150 per hour, approximately 93 miles per hour. Between 1936 and 1939, only 710 Phantom III chassis were built. The first body fitted to this chassis was a Hooper Sedanca de Ville. It debuted in 1939 at major European motor shows, including Brussels, Amsterdam, and Geneva, and then traveled to the United States for display at the 1939 New York World's Fair. There it captured the attention of Louis Ritter, a flamboyant and wealthy collector known for commissioning unconventional automobiles. Ritter sent the car to Paris and gave French coach builder Henri Labourdette complete creative freedom. Labourdette's design broke sharply from traditional Rolls-Royce styling. He incorporated brass inlays into the fenders, bumpers, and windshield supports, creating strong visual accents. He added a golden-tinted grille, electric vacuum window mechanisms, and extreme luxury in the 1940s, and concealed headlamps integrated into the wings. Inside, a plush rear sofa and a dashboard carved from solid mahogany enhanced the car's opulent character. Its most radical innovation was the Vutotal windshield. Based on a Labourdette patent, the thick, frameless glass was secured directly to the body with large bolts, eliminating visible pillars and creating an uninterrupted panoramic view. World War II delayed construction, and the completed car was delivered to Ritter only in 1947. The cost of the body alone reached $44,000, a staggering figure at the time, equivalent to the price of several homes and hundreds of thousands of dollars today. Originally painted metallic red-orange, the car later entered the Black Hawk collection before receiving a full restoration in a dark two-tone finish for the John W. Rich Auto Museum. After restoration, it appeared at the Pebble Beach Tour d'Elegance in 2006 and was formally displayed at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in 2007. Today, the 1947 Rolls-Royce Phantom III Labourdette Vutotal Cabriolet is regarded as one of the most daring and technically intriguing coach-built Rolls-Royces, combining pre-war engineering excellence with post-war design experimentation and surviving as a unique piece of automotive history.